In the U.S., a home is broken into every 15 seconds. Locking your doors and setting your home alarm even when you are home can protect you and your belongings.
The Woodlands Township would like to remind residents to lock your doors, secure and cover your windows, close your garage doors, and set your alarm. Criminals don't care if you are home or not, always be prepared.